Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. You're watching episode 1 of Storytime with Khushbu. I've been meaning to do some concept like this for a really long time now. It was just not happening. But yeah, here we are. And for the first episode of Storytime with Khushbu, I want to talk about my infertility struggle, which has dominated a major part of my married life. I really want to talk about how it has changed me as a person and like the three major things that my struggle has taught me. But that's not the only agenda of this video. I also have a lot of makeup that I've recently got. So I'll also be doing like a trial thing and first impression and all of that. Now before we delve into it, just let me give you a little bit of background on my story. So I met my husband Ankit in the year 2009 when I was in college. I was a fresher, he was a senior. We became good friends by the end of 2009 and we started dating by the end of 2010. We got rookified in 2013 and got married in December 2014. We were both pretty young when we got married. So this was a mutual decision that for like good two and a half years we'll not think about baby or anything like that. So we were just two young people in love, newly married, exploring places, traveling, and life was good. Yeah, it was really good. But then after 2 years we were like, okay, we should start planning for expanding our family. So I don't want to go into the depths of it, but you can say that after 2 years of our married life we started planning for our baby, and we could conceive after 6 years of struggle. And in this 6 years we have seen everything from ectopic pregnancies to laparoscopy to multiple failed IVFs to failed Ayurvedic treatments, allopathic treatments, doing multiple snans at holy places, keeping chalyas, doing Somvar ke vrat, and I don't know, like it was just a trauma which was not ending. हम सब कुछ कर रहे थे, हमें कोई कुछ भी बोलता था ना, we were doing that and we were doing it with good dedication, and हमारे अंदर ये belief था कि भाई we are good people, we deserve to have a child and we have the ability to do the right upbringing of a child. तो फिर ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है कि हमें ही बच्चा नहीं मिल रहा और everybody around us is just getting pregnant left, right and center, but it's not happening for us. So yes, those 6 years were really challenging, but yeah, today in retrospect when I look behind, I do feel कि मेरा जो infertility का struggle रहा है उसने मुझे कुछ सिखाया है, बहुत कुछ सिखाया है, and it has actually changed me as a person, about which I want to talk. But yeah, before going further in this video, I want to talk about this brand Heal Your Chi. Yeah, so this is the brand name and this is their 7 Sages Hydrosol toner, water, mist, you can call it whatever. So I've been using this for quite some time now, and the beautiful part about this brand Heal Your Chi is that everything is natural and there are no added preservatives or anything. If you are someone who has very sensitive skin and products don't suit you, this is like one brand that you can definitely consider. Okay, so I was telling you that we were really trying to have a baby and things were not happening. So ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग permanently unhappy थे. we've always been a happy couple, because अगर आप एक उस aspect को हटा दो बच्चे वाला, everything else was going perfect in our life, work wise things were good, but एक major dissatisfaction and एक major void था life में. But anyway, in the year 2023 this struggle finally ended. I came to know about my pregnancy and it was literally the happiest yet the scariest moment of our lives, क्योंकि एक बार हमारे साथ ऐसा हो चुका है कि हम बहुत खुश हुए थे and then everything just, it was an ectopic pregnancy और सब कुछ just went haywire. So I was really scared, but yeah, this time things turned out really well. I have a 9-month-old daughter now. Also I am trying this 7 flower blend from Heal Your Chi again. So this is their moisturizer that I've been using lately and loving it. So of course we were very happy when we came to know about the pregnancy, and even today every day of our life is full of so much happiness and bliss. Like I look at Rubani and I'm like, thank you God. The level of gratitude that I feel is just next level. उस टाइम पर जब मेरी ज़िंदगी में ये स्ट्रगल चल रहा था, तो सब लोग मुझे कहते थे कि भगवान जो करता है अच्छे के लिए करता है, एंड देयर इज समथिंग गुड दैट विल कम आउट ऑफ इट, ये एंड वो। और मुझे ना ऐसे लगता था कि इसमें क्या ही अच्छा है, भगवान को क्या मजा आ रहा है हमें इतना टेस्ट करके। बट टुडे आई डेफिनेटली फील दैट दिस स्ट्रगल ऑफ आवर लाइव्स came to teach us something, and I actually want to talk about a few teachings that I've got from this. The first lesson that I have learned is the lesson of humility. We are nothing in front of God's will. भगवान जो चाहेगा वही होगा, जब चाहेगा तब होगा, हमारे चाहने से कुछ नहीं होता. We are literally puppets. And like why I learned this lesson was, I'll tell you, I am someone who was always very I was always a very fit person. I felt कि मेरे अंदर ना एक confidence था. I will not say proud, but एक confidence था कि I will conceive very easily. मुझे कुछ issue नहीं हुआ because I'm a fit person. I'm thin also. ना मुझे PCOD है, ना मुझे PCOS है, ना मुझे otherwise कोई issue है. तो nothing, there is no problem that can come between me and my child, right? By the way, I also have to switch back to it. So I'm trying this Milagro concealer. This is in the shade Natural Beige. Okay, so as I was telling you, I had this confidence कि यार मुझे कोई problem ऐसी होगी नहीं. So that's why I was very chill also. But जब वो ectopic हुआ ना, that actually came as a huge shocker, because ectopic happened because my fallopian tubes were blocked. So ectopic से ज़्यादा मेरे लिए उस चीज़ से डील करना बहुत टफ हो गया था कि मेरे अंदर कोई प्रॉब्लम कैसे हो सकती है. Like I have always been so fit और मुझे तो कभी कोई दिक्कत हुई नहीं है. So how is it possible that I have an issue, and that too a major issue? So that was definitely one point when I realized कि यार कुछ भी हो सकता है. Second point of realization was that after we had our ectopic, the doctors immediately told us कि आपके लिए ना natural conception बहुत मुश्किल है, so it's better that you try for IVF. So when we were going for IVF, IVF के ना multiple steps होते हैं, तो हमारे जो बाकी के सारे steps हैं ना, उनका result अच्छा आ रहा था. And when the transfer also happened, the doctors and they were very hopeful. Everybody was like, there's a very high chance of success, and it will happen. Again, I got my hopes really high कि नहीं हो जाएगा, this is it. But then we failed. So ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ. And finally मुझे ये समझ में आया that we as humans, हमारे पास ना ज़्यादा कुछ पावर है नहीं, है ना. हमें लगता है कि हम बहुत कुछ हैं और हम बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, बट एटलीस्ट इन मैटर्स ऑफ जिंदगी देना एंड जिंदगी लेना, वो सब भगवान के हाथों में है. सो यू शुड जस्ट calm yourself down and stop thinking too much about it. And at a point जब हमने सारी hopes छोड़ दी थी, we were thinking in terms of surrogacy, adoption, right? उस point पे I conceived naturally. So मुझे now when I look back I realize कि हम कुछ भी नहीं है. Everything is God, and I've become this person who believes कि हाँ यार, अगर भगवान चाहेगा तो हो जाएगा, नहीं चाहेगा तो नहीं होगा, हमारे हाथ में सिर्फ कोशिश करना है. So yeah, one of the biggest lessons that my infertility struggle has taught me is being humble. वैसे बातों बातों में मैंने realize नहीं करा, but the coverage of this concealer is pretty decent, हाँ. But this concealer, yeah, it's pretty expensive. मतलब it's a good concealer, but it's quite expensive. So I think I will not highly recommend it. Okay, so now I have two foundations over here, Dermaco and the Swiss Beauty. I think I'll try the Dermaco one. Swiss Beauty I'll try later on. Okay, so my second big lesson from this journey has been that never take your mental health lightly. India में awareness आ गई है, but अभी भी उतनी awareness नहीं है. And I want to tell you this thing, that never take your mental health lightly. One thing that I'm really proud of is कि throughout my journey, किसी भी पॉइंट पे अगर मुझे ऐसे लगा कि आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल ओवर हियर एंड आई नीड काउंसलिंग, आई नीड टू टॉक टू समबडी, आई वॉज वेरी फॉरवर्ड अबाउट इट. मैंने कभी भी ये नहीं सोचा कि अरे यार क्या है, क्यों है. एक तो थेरेपी बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है, लेट्स जस्ट बी वेरी क्लियर अबाउट इट, इट्स एन एक्सपेंसिव अफेयर. बट I never restricted myself from taking therapy, and I can tell you, I actually give a huge credit to my miracle pregnancy, to how I managed my stress. I've been in touch with healers also, I've been in touch with Reiki specialist also, I've talked to counselors also, I've been in touch with few really good people, और मैंने ना उनको इस डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में टैग भी करा है, because these are those people that have helped me come out of my stress, come out of my whole this thing. क्योंकि अगर मैं ये सब ना करती ना, I would have gone into depression. Seriously, you know, it became such a big problem of my life कि हो जाता है यार, मेरे को डिप्रेशन हो जाता. बट आई एम जस्ट वेरी हैप्पी कि आई टुक हेल्प व्हेनेवर इट वाज नीडेड. एंड yeah, one, like as I was talking about the learning, I'm trying to blend this foundation, but पता नहीं क्यों ये बहुत अच्छे से blend नहीं हो रही है. I don't know if it's visible on the camera or not, but it's just taking a lot of time to blend, जो कि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, because my skin is also prepped, it's moisturized also, तो ये होना नहीं चाहिए था, but ये हो रहा है. Anyway, coming back, so I was talking about the importance of mental health. If you are going through this struggle in life, in fact, if you are going through any struggle in life, and if you feel that you need some kind of professional help, you should just go ahead and take it. You should not think too much about it. और कई बार पता है क्या होता है, थेरेपी में हम किसी एक चीज़ के लिए थेरेपी लेना शुरू करते हैं, बट हमें रियलाइज होता है कि उसके अंडरलाइन कॉजेज बहुत सारे हैं, राइट? थेरेपी have played a major role, a massive role in my pregnancy. This whole topic deserves an altogether video, and I'll probably talk about it in my next video. Just to give you a conclusion of it, please take your mental health seriously. Never take it lightly. And on another note, I am quite disappointed with this foundation. Like, it's quite patchy. मतलब मुझे बिल्कुल मज़ा नहीं आ रहा ये foundation लगाकर. Okay, the next product that I want to try is this Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow product. ये इसका एक miniature sale पे था अभी, Nykaa sale पे, so I thought I'll just try it. Okay, so I'll just quickly do my brows. It's a good product. This one I like. Yeah. The biggest lesson that I have learned in this struggle is that your relationship with God should only be based out of love and never out of fear. जब भी इस टाइप का कोई स्ट्रगल चल रहा होता है लाइफ में, जिसमें बेसिकली हमारी कोई मर्जी नहीं चलती, सिर्फ भगवान की मर्जी चलती है, तो आपको ना सब लोग एडवाइजेस देते रहेंगे कि ये कर ले, वो कर ले, ये पूजा, ये व्रत, ये स्नान, ये चिलिया, ये माथा टेकना, इस पंडित पे जाना, इस पीर फकीर पे जाना. It will happen and you do it, you know, because ultimately हमें भी, you know, we wanted a baby, so we were also doing everything that people were saying. By the way, I am trying this kajal pen and liquid liner from Tipsy Beauty. I love the packaging. So it comes in a circular cylindrical packing like this, and it's a dual product. So on one side you have the kajal, and on the other side you have the liner. I will not try anything on my eyes because they are like quite sensitive today, so I'm just going to do swatches of it. Okay, this is the kajal, which is pretty intense. As you can see, it is pretty intense. And this is the liner, which is also pretty dark and quite black. Alright, so as I was talking about my relationship with God, when people were, you know, just telling me ye karo, wo karo, wo karo, wo karo, I know it was coming from a good intention, और क्योंकि I also wanted to have a baby badly, I was also doing it. But मैंने ये रियलाइज करा कि इस पूरे प्रोसेस में my relationship with God actually changed. मैंने ना हमेशा भगवान को एक दोस्त का दर्जा दिया है. When I was small, I used to talk to him all the time कि पता है भगवान आज क्या हुआ. Like I used to call him गुरु बाबा कि you know आज ऐसे हुआ, आज वैसे हुआ, आप प्लीज मेरी फ्रेंड की हेल्प कर दो, you know. Literally I used to have these conversations and I've always enjoyed that relationship with God. But जब ये सब हुआ ना, तो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि नहीं, वो तो भगवान है, he's God, he's not my friend. I have to bow down in front of him, I have to do things for him, I have to make him happy so that he bless me with a child. But करते 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 जब कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा था ना, there came a day when I was like, enough is enough. मैं किसी की नहीं सुनूंगी. I will just reboot my relationship and I'll treat God as a friend जैसे मैं पहले करती थी. और मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि ऐसा करते ही मुझे रिजल्ट मिल गया, बट उस पूरे प्रोसेस ने मुझे यहाँ से बहुत हल्का कर दिया. यू नो, आई वॉज ऑलवेज अंडर दिस प्रेशर कि नहीं, मुझे भगवान के लिए ये करना है, ये करना है, ऐसा करना है, उनको खुश करना है, भगवान नाराज ना हो जाए. बट देन व्हेन द डे केम, आई डिसाइडेड कि मैं किसी की नहीं सुनूंगी. मुझे अगर कुछ करने का मन होगा तो मैं करूंगी, नहीं मन होगा तो मैं नहीं करूंगी. That was the day when I actually restored a lot of my mental peace. So that also gave me a lot of strength. By the way, I'm trying this Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara. I don't want to try it in front of you all क्योंकि मैं ये try कर चुकी हूँ. And I want to tell you that I am highly disappointed with this mascara. It is very dry, it is very flaky, it doesn't give much volume or anything. मतलब ये Charlotte Tilbury का है, मिनी है तो भी महंगा है, but it's not worth it. Please don't buy. अगर अभी तक नहीं खरीदा है तो मत खरीदो. Okay, so as I was telling you that जो मेरा रिलेशनशिप है भगवान के साथ वो काफ़ी चेंज हो गया था इस जर्नी में. आई बिकेम अ गॉड फियरिंग पर्सन, बट आई एम लकी बिकॉज यू नो आई वॉज एबल टू रीबूट माई रिलेशनशिप एंड टुडे आई एम अ गॉड लविंग पर्सन. आई लव हिम for his presence, for what he has done for me, but I'm like not afraid of him anymore. So अगर आप इस टाइप के किसी स्ट्रगल से निकल रहे हो, बहुत हाई पॉसिबिलिटी है that you will also become a God fearing person and you know you might start doing things जो जिनमें आपका कोर बिलीफ नहीं है. प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. भगवान जो होते हैं ना, भगवान होते हैं. वो उनको पता है हमारे इंटेंशंस क्या है एंड यू नो उनको कब हमें कौन सी चीज देनी है. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स दे आर जस्ट सी. अगर आपको ये सारी चीजें करके मेंटल पीस मिलता है, दिल से खुशी होती है, तो आप करो, गो अहेड एंड डू इट. बट अगर नहीं मिलता, यू आर डूइंग इट आउट ऑफ प्रेशर, आउट ऑफ बाउंडेशन, मत करो. Please learn this thing from me. Don't do it. I left everything long back. I'm trying this Cha-Ching bronzer from Tipsy Beauty. They've done Tipsy Beauty is really creative with their packaging. मतलब in a very saturated market to come up with interesting packaging is really good, and I think that's one of the reasons why their products are usually successful. Okay, I'm just trying this bronzer and I like the color of it. I like the fact that it doesn't create patches, and yeah, even the foundation has settled quite a bit now. उस वक्त मुझे बहुत वैसी लग रही थी, but it has settled quite a bit now. So, but still, I have tried better foundations, and for the price that they are charging, I will not call it a very good foundation. Also, अब ये काजल और eyeliner अच्छे से सूख गया है, so let's see if they transfer or anything like that. Okay, so they are transfer proof, so I'm pretty sure कि इनकी जो lasting होगी वो काफ़ी अच्छी होगी. Lastly, I want to try this Call Me Daddy Nude Pink shade from Blur. I mean, what is with these naming? Okay. I think this color is a little too light for me, but let's see. Let's try to make it work. So I'm trying this lip color, and I can tell you that it's pigmented, but something is off with the formula. It has a very moussey formula, because of which एक जो even application होता है ना वो नहीं हो पा रहा. So I'm like trying it, but वो बीच में ना color छोड़ रहा है अपना. So I have to apply another coat. I think I like the Blur glosses more than this lip color. But yeah, I think the color is not looking so bad now. I don't have a blush to try on. So I think I'll probably just end this look with whatever we have. So I have shared my learnings with you all, and I've also tried all the products. I have this collagen and this Bare Anatomy sugar scrub, but this I don't want to try. Like I don't want to try right now. This is a skincare, hair care thing, which I'll do later on. I'll try the makeup and everything. But yeah, I want to conclude this video by saying that miracles happen. जब ये struggle चल रहा था, by the end of it, we were almost planning adoption, क्योंकि ना सब कुछ ट्राई करके देख लिया था and it was not happening. और you know एक point होता है, आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार, इससे ज़्यादा struggle नहीं कर सकते. But when we lost all our hopes and everything was done and dusted, I conceived naturally. It was the biggest miracle. It is still date the biggest miracle and the biggest surprise of our lives, that I conceived naturally. And I'm sharing this story with you so that if you're also sailing in the same boat, trust me, God does have better plans for you. You know, he is so capable. वो जिस दिन चाहेंगे ना, उस दिन सारी चीज़ें आपके फेवर में होने लगेंगी. You just have to wait for that right time. And उस right time के लिए जो waiting period है वो कितना है ये किसी को भी नहीं पता. But it's important that you live your life. उस राइट टाइम का वेट करते 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 अपने आप को बहुत परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए. यू शुड कीप योर सेल्फ हैप्पी फ्रॉम हियर एंड हियर. और इसके लिए इफ यू वांट प्रोफेशनल हेल्प, यू शुड गो अहेड एंड टेक इट. But just make sure that you're happy as a person. This life that we have is very, very precious, and you should not waste even a single day of it. It's okay to cry, it's okay to feel sad, it's okay to feel bad for yourself. You should not get into the habit of victimizing yourself. But yeah, what I've learned is that just take charge of your life. Yeah, live your life happily, and also do write in the comment section below whatever your feedback is about this story time video. It was my first attempt. I don't know how I've performed, but do write your precious feedback. Also, if you want, like if you want to suggest any topic on which I should do story times, go ahead and write it. And yeah, for now I will take your leave, and I'll see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.